Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Knowledge and Beauty. Today I will show you an amazing tutorial of a mandala art. It will also be very much colorful mandala art. So guys, if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, then please do subscribe my channel. And also please support me to get more videos of this type of satisfying mandala art. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started.
Friends, I can swear you, this mandala will be very much amazing. So what you are waiting for? Please subscribe this channel and also you can like this video. And also let me know in the comment section how was this video. And for the procedure, here you go. So guys, here I have taken one A4 size white paper and after that I am using pencil to draw some circles. So guys, here you can draw as much as circle you want. That is as per your wish. So here I am using pencils to draw that circle and here my circles are done, and after doing all circles we have to border it with some pen, gel pen, pencil, anything you want. So here I am giving some border. Here I am using red color pencil and after that I will use red acrylic color. So guys, here the two same circle I will do same color because it will looks good when you will do same color for that two circles. For this only I am using red color for those two circles. Okay, so here I am using 000 brush and red acrylic color with red poster color. So next I am using green color. Here I am using green poster color and again I am using 000 brush to draw this type of small mandala art. Okay, I will do all of this circle like this design. This design is also good and also it's very beginner friendly. You can do this easily. It's not a tough work. It's very easy to draw this type of design. After doing this type of design, I have to fill that design inner corner also. So first of all, let me finish this and after that I will show you what I will do at the inner section of this design. Yep, so first design completed and after that I am using blue color, blue poster color, and I will fill the inner side of this small design. Okay, so first of all I have used blue color and after that I have used blue with grey color. So at first I have used green, then I have used blue color and after that I am filling that design with blue with grey color. Okay, not only blue, I am using some grey color also. So yeah, that's it. Now this is the important things what I have tried with this video. Okay, so here I have given one positive quote. We should never give up because good things takes time. Everyone we want that only good things happens in our life, but it's not possible. You have to accept bad things with good things. If you don't accept these bad things, then you can't taste that good things. Okay, so you have to wait. You have to work on your work and also you have to make yourself very much confident so that you can get that much work, you can get your dreams fulfilled. Okay, so that's the line, never give up, good things takes time. Here I have used to fill that portion, I am using blue poster color. With that I have used a small pinch of black color. In the border section, I will use only black color to give illusion of that circle. This circle will looks like not a circle, it will looks like a ball. Okay, so and also on that writings I will use white color. I will use white gel pen and on between on that I am using some dots of blue and black colors. Also I have used some purple colors dot also. So now go to the next border of that circle. So in the next border I have used crimson color, and also here I have used brush 000. It will be very much precise. So here I have used crimson color, and next circle also I will use that crimson color. Reason is same, it will looks good if you use same color in that two border consequently. And also in mandala, if you use red color, it will looks very good. It gives a very much good vibes on that mandala. So I am preferring this red color or crimson color in my mandala art. Now border is ready. After that we have to do some design in between that circle. So here I have used red color with purple, and I am doing this small design of mandala art. It also very much easy. When we were a child, from that times I think we all know this design. So guys, I already have said that it's very much beginner friendly mandala art. So you can do it easily. After filling this big design, again same, we have to fill that inner corner of this design. Here I have used purple and red color, and in between also we have to use some color. Before that I have write this quote with white gel pen. This gel pen you can get from Flipkart. You have to search like white gel pen and then you can get this. Its price is only rupees 60 I think. Then I have designed my name also here. Okay, now it's time to fill the design, the inner section of the design. So I have used again crimson color to fill that. After using crimson color, I am using violet color, and for this I am using violet sketch pen. After that I have used sky blue sketch pen to fill it. So now it's totally filled. Then our work will be on the next circle. So for the next circle also we have used red color, and after that circle we will again use red color because we have to use same color to give a proper look of that mandala art. That's why we will use red for two consequent circles. So here it's completed for the first circle. Then this is the last circle of this mandala art, and it's also completed with red color. And also I am using here 000 brush. Now by using orange color I am doing here some beginner friendly mandala design, and after that same we have to fill the inner side of this mandala. Okay, so after it's being completed we have to do the next work to fill in the inside corner of this design. Here I have used orange color with this 000 brush. Okay, so it's now completed. Now we will fill it with proper crimson color. So I have to fill it with all over the circle. Here is completed, and after that we have to fill the next portion, and for this we have used red with orange color. Okay, so by using these small triangle shapes we will fill this design. so that it will looks good. You can see that it's really looks good. Also guys, let me know in the comment section if you like this video or not, and also if you have any suggestion, please let me know. And also guys, if you till now didn't subscribe my channel, then please do it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because how much subscriber I will get, it will inspire me very much. Okay, so now in the border section I have used red color, and after that I will use some blue ball pen on the border section. Okay, so guys, that's it. I think it's very much easy. For me it's easy. I don't know what will be for you. So guys, please let me know in the comment section if you can do this or not. Yeah, so now it's totally completed, and I have taken a good picture of it. So guys, please let me know in the comment section if you like this video or not.
Guys, if till now you didn't subscribe my channel, then please do and support me. And also let me know in the comment section if you like this video or not.